Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable the AI in Replit. Replit includes built-in AI tools that can help with coding, debugging, and generating code suggestions. While these features can be useful, some users prefer to disable them to avoid distractions or to work in a simpler development environment. To begin, open your browser and log in to your account on Replit. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the project or workspace where you want to disable the AI tools. When the coding workspace loads, you may notice the AI Assistant panel or suggestions appearing in the editor. These features are part of Replit's AI system designed to assist with writing and improving code. To disable these AI features, click on the plus button to open a new work tab. This usually appears in the top menu or in the sidebar depending on the layout of your workspace. Then scroll downwards to locate the user settings. Once you open it, there is an option labeled Code Editing. Click on it. Once you find the AI settings, toggle the option off to disable the assistant. After turning it off, the AI suggestion panel and automated code suggestions should no longer appear in your workspace. If the AI panel is currently open in the editor, you can also close it directly by clicking the Close button on the AI panel or collapsing the sidebar where the assistant appears. Disabling these features allows you to focus solely on writing and managing your code without automated suggestions appearing in the editor. Many developers prefer this setup when they want a cleaner interface or when they are learning and want to write code independently without AI-generated hints. Even after disabling the AI features in Replit, you can always re-enable them later through the same settings menu if you decide you want to use the assistant again. And that's how to disable the AI in Replit. By accessing your workspace settings and turning off the AI assistant features, you can simplify your coding environment and focus on writing code without automated suggestions. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.